guys, it's sstoerzi Tim on Daily Life of These Crazy People. We have our guest stars, and they are Zach Coleman, and also maybe we might get Trenton Coleman. Trying to think, Harry Thomas, brother of Spencer Thomas. So we have our guest stars pretty much laid out for a 15-minute episode of School's Out. Stay tuned for that. And we also have a new sound effect for sad moments. Just a second. Here is the sad moment. I will play it one more time. I'm gonna get the microphone down here. So there it is. It's a sad moment, a happy moment. Oh yay! I just got an A+ on my book report. I'm happy. Is that good? I have an ostrich. That was so random. But anyway, stay tuned for a 15-minute episode of the daily life of these crazy people. Thank you. Ostrich.